Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to run Facebook ads using the AEZAKMI browser. Firstly, log into your account. Use your username and password. Create a new profile. Select the resolution, operating system, browser, video adapter, and select any video card. Click on Generate button. Enter a profile name. Configure proxy settings. We recommend checking the proxy right after entering. Save the fingerprint profile. Now log into the extension and select the profile that you've just created. Our profile is applied. After it, you see a Whoever checker page in order to check all fingerprints. The AEZAKMI extension has a tool to import cookies. We load our cookies and go to Facebook. Before you start advertising, you need to create a fan page. I've already logged into this account a few days ago and created a fan page earlier. It may take a little time for the ad to start, up to 3 days. Then go to the Business Manager. From the Business Manager, we immediately go to our advertising account. After that, go to the settings of advertising account and set the necessary data and country here. In our case, this is Ukraine. For convenience, you can take data from similar websites. After that, create a pixel. After creating the pixel, go to Ads Manager and click the Create Campaign button. This creates a draft of advertising campaign. As we have created a draft of advertising campaign, go to the Ads groups and create a draft ad group. We select the created pixel and we select the country on which we want to launch advertising. In our case, this is Italy. Set the age and gender. If necessary, set other settings. Upload the crayon. Now as a crayon, I use just a random picture. You should use your creatives. Do not use too hard approaches. Otherwise, the account may go on a self-identification even before moderation. Then, insert the domain, title and add text. Do not use clickbait and also avoid stop words. Otherwise, you will get not approved because of too hard text. Then, click the Check button. Again, we check all our data and click Save in Drafts. If necessary, duplicate ad groups. Everything is ready. We've created an advertising campaign for Italy with 3 ad groups. Press the button Check and Publish. Here, if necessary, you can change the country, currency and time zone. Notice that we add the card only at this stage. We are waiting for the card adding. Click the Publish button. We are done. Ads went for moderation. As soon as you see approved status, your ads will start and will give you a traffic. In addition, I'd like to say that a successful ad launch depends on many things. This is primarily a proxy, cloaker and creatives, as well as an account preparation. Do not rush to launch the ad. Create a fan page and let it hold several days. Create a couple of posts on it. Behave yourself as a regular advertiser. If necessary, run the promotion of the post for 3 cents per day. Find your startup method. Try different creatives and farming methods and you'll succeed. Good luck, friends. See you.